Tara, magsusundo na tayo ng mga kiddos from school. Ay, umaraw na pala. Kaninang umaga medyo makulimlim eh. Ngayon ano na, almost 3 o'clock na rito. 2:40 na sa Toronto. Ayan, summer na malapit, kaya palabas na itong ating baby blue. Ayan, narinig ko na yung mga ibon. Tayo mag-pick up ng mga kiddos. Kukuha ng merienda. Ariko. Oh, may pa-sunroof na pala kami. Oh, bukas na pala yung sunroof. Oh, diba? Summer subon. Ayan, tara. Magsundo na tayo. Parehong day off ng Monday, kaya ito taga-sundo ng mga chikiting. Ikaw rin ba adik ka ng Chinese drama?
Okay.
Yan. Korean drama and Chinese drama, adik ito. Pag day off, kundi matulog at kumain lang sa bahay.
Oh, who's this? They could be cured. They wouldn't be incurable.
Kid, your scam is too obvious. Nobody would believe you even if you charged just 2 months.
Yan, after 7 to 8 minutes ng driving, ito napipick up na tayo ng ate.
Dr. Wet. It's over.
Secret technique. It can reverse life and death.
And there's ate. Hello. Ano?
Blue car.
Blue car? Too loud.
You're doomed.
Go get McDonald's na.
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna pick up adding the McDouble meal sa kanya.
Wait, what do you want? Stop there. What are you doing? Get out of the way.
And he doesn't want the Minecraft thing.
With this
Oh, the Happy Meal?
Happy Meal.
I'll get a Happy Meal.
Ayan, kain tayo ng McDonald's for snack.
Oh,
like you did today,
So
feeling
bright,
low.
too.
I know.
Not when forced by jerk.
Camaro,
What did you say?
Bumblebee.
Okay.
Get lost, kid.
So
What you're getting?
Today I have to drink with.
Yes, 2, 4, 5, 1. Can I get a Big Mac meal with and poutine? And
Do you want a poutine on the side or with the bomb?
Can you make that as a poutine also, please?
Masarap, di ba? Masarap. Masarap yan. Masarap.
Masarap yarn.
Oo. Kaya mag-ice cream na tayo pag naging tayo ng french fries.
Sarap yarn.
Nagusan ng french fries.
You want to try it, okay, ma'am?
yeah.
Ubus na yung ice cream ko. Sarap.
So, as on this side, 2 poutines.
Okay. Can you check how many burger there is?
So I have the BLT on this side.
fries here.
Okay. Akin traffic. Ay na daw yung driver. Sorry, hindi makasubo yung passenger princess ng driver kasi busy rin ako. Busy ako nag-video tapos busy ako kumakain ng ice cream. Self-serve muna itong chauffeur natin. Sarap. Hello.
How do you feel?
Hi.
Oi! You're crushing the burgers, bro!
Oh.
How many burgers are there?
3.
What flavor?
Strawberry.
Thank you. That's mine. yeah, permit yata yun.
Why would you ask the flavor if
Ice cream already. I was thinking about...
you got the Big Mac? No, Daddy had a poutine and I have a poutine, which is in here actually. Please don't.
Oh, you want poutine ba lang?
That's okay. You can share with me, but
If you make a Big Mac in Minecraft, how would it be?
bread.
Is that yeah? It would be bread, steak. No, because there's only 3, so you gotta.
bread, steak, and
I don't know. Then you use up like all the spots, so it's gonna be bread and steak on the steak beside it, then it's gonna be bread again. Steak. Bread.
Ayan, uwi na tayo. We're home.
Hindi si...
Okay, tara. Sabay na tayo. Okay. Busog na sila.